Hi Sugar Cookies. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle whisperer. I have a question for you. Do you have fruit that looks like this or this? These have seen better days. However, I'm not gonna throw them out. The flesh of these, Don't judge me. The flesh, the contents of these clementines are kind of dry. There's no juice in there, but the rinds are still of use. A stovetop home potpourri. That's right. And I'm gonna use this apple to give it some nice winter fragrance and a few other things. Oh, and I'm also going to be and I'm also going to be using some dried star anise seeds, or these pods. These smell so delicious. Let's go to my stove where I'm already simmering the water. Come on, let's just go to the stove. See that I have some dried star anise, some green cardamom. If you have black, that's fine. Some rum extract. Trust me, this is going to smell amazing. Beautiful winter fragrance. Some fresh,
Don't judge me.
Some fresh ginger, some allspice, some cinnamon sticks, some eucalyptus, clementine. I'm not gonna use the clementine innards because they're pretty much dried up. But I am going to use the rind, and I'm going to use these apples because they're already pasty. I already have some water going. What a perfect time of year to try and implement healthier methods around the home, in your life, your lifestyle and things like that. And that's what my channel is all about, lifestyle. So now that it's 2023, I've been trying to phase out candles and home fragrances, even the ones that claim to be natural or soy. They still contain a level of toxicity. Look it up. I'd rather use home diffusers and natural, essential, good quality oils and things like this to make my home smell good. So let's get to making this. Look at how beautiful this looks. I wish that you could smell my home right now. It smells amazing. I am so happy that I started playing around with this recipe. Something wintry, not Christmassy, and this is what I came up with. And I promise you that adding that rum extract in here is going to be amazing. It's gonna take it to another level. Almost smells a little, I don't know, like amaretto with eggnog. I don't know, it just smells wonderful. Try this recipe out and let me know how you like it. Diffusers are another option to use around your home. This one has a 3-hour window of diffusing time, and this just really helps our home smell wonderful. What do you think? Not bad, huh? It's economical, it smells wonderful, delicious. You can keep it on your stove on low, keep an eye on it. I suggest maybe putting an alarm on your cell phone around your home so that you're mindful and you keep adding a little bit of water to it, and I promise you your home is going to smell so delicious. It's going to permeate your home. If you have recipes that you want to share with me for your stovetop or other natural ways then comment below. I'd like to know. If you found some value in this video and maybe even a couple of laughs, then subscribe. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Comment below and let me know what you thought about my recipe. And as I mentioned before, share any kind of recipes that you have that you like to use around your home. Be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Come around the other side. Wait, hold on a minute. Where'd it go? I told him to go around back, honey. Get no respect. Ooh. Ooh, my nose is itching. These allergies. Oh, help it. Fix it, Jesus.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.